Look at this 2005 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram 1500 has just under 49,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 4WD SLT Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, Quad Cab Thunder Road Value Group, Sport Appearance Group, Trailer Tow Group, Flat Folding Load Floor Storage, NA with V9 Cloth 40/20/40 Split Bench Seat, 5-speed automatic transmission with odd 3.92 axle ratio, anti-spin rear axle, 5.7L Hemi Magnum engine, sliding rear window, NA with rear window defroster, fog lamps, premium cloth 40/20/40 split bench seat and the 50 state emissions standard. Call 877-686-7799 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.